Hey, this is Carrie with Canary Quilts, and it's another edition of one of my favorite things to do, and that is open my mail. It's called What's in the Box, and we've got another sew sampler. I feel like I just opened one, but we've got another one, and then I've got two more packages, and I know this one is from Keepsake Quilting, and this one's from Fat Quarter Shop, and I'm not sure what's in this last one here, but we'll find out, just like this. I don't know what's in that one either. If you want to watch these videos and keep up with me, hit the subscribe button below, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time I put another What's in the Box video out, or any of my other fun videos of quilt-alongs and stuff like that I do. So check it out. Let's get started. Okay, let's get started with this box opening. Save the sew sampler for last. Let's save this for the next one because I know this is Keepsake Quilting, and I get their Batik of the month, which is 6 batiks and a small pattern. So it's called their Bally Medley of the month. I've been getting this for a long time, and I put it away for art quilting and stuff like that. I pulled out my Wolverine quilt recently, and if you've been watching my videos, you've seen them in the background. This month is called Tonga Tropical. That sounds fun. Ooh, yellows. I do not have enough yellows. Looks very tropical. Could use a tropical mixed drink after looking at these fabrics. Oh, they're so scrumptious and pretty. But yeah, getting these Batiks of the month lets me build up my stash and lets me have options when I need to pull out fabrics. Like I said, I don't have a lot of yellows, so this month I got some yellows. Now I have some options. And this even has a little bit of yellow in it, so. And then they always send you a small pattern where you can use the fabrics that you get in your Batik of the month in the quilt. So it's usually just a one-page pattern like this. They're very nicely done. They're on like this nice glossy cardstock, so that's really pretty. I love opening these. So that's our Keepsake Quilting, and I'll put links to all these things down below for you. This is, I think, $16 a month. You get 6 of them each month, plus this little pattern. Okay, on to this, and I always like to guess. I'm going to guess holiday. I'm part of their Holiday of the Month club. I'm going to guess that, but I could be wrong. Could be solids. What is it? What is it? I don't know. I don't know what it is. Let's just rip it open and see. It is! It's Holiday of the Month! Woohoo! Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's Christmas. Christmas in July. Yep, July 2022. Old-fashioned Christmas. Oh, that is pretty. Last month I got Halloween. And I'm going to throw a picture in real quick and show you what I did with those fabrics. I still have a lot of them left, but I made a little table runner. Just went into EQ8, threw some blocks together, and made a really cute table runner. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. Have to find a Christmas pattern, I think. Oh my gosh, I like these fabrics. I like the darker side of the Christmas fabrics, not like the bright reds and bright greens, although I do like them. This just seems to hit with me a little more. Ooh, these are so pretty. They curate, oh look at this. This says reindeer and sleigh rides, fresh hot cocoa, Santa stop here. Please Santa Claus stop here, we have warm cookies and milk. Tree Farm, cut and carry hot cider, pine, spruce, and fir. That is a neat fabric. I really like that fabric. Yeah, I'll have to let you know what I do with this. This is really pretty. I love this. And you get 12 fat quarters each month, and it's holiday of the month. This is the second month I've gotten, so I'm not exactly sure what it's going to be like in the future, but it's going to be fun. It's going to be a lot of fun because I love holidays and I love fabric. Oh, there is the white colorway. Maybe you can see it a little better. Let me turn it around here. There you go. And I'll have a link to these fabrics in particular below. If you're not part of the Holiday of the Month Club, you can get this set of fabrics, so I'll have a link to that below. It always comes with a card to tell you how to reorder these fabrics if you like just one fabric. So yeah, look. Ooh, look at that plaid. Holiday greens. Here's the red colorway. You got candy canes. And I'm going the wrong way. Here's more candy canes. Oh, and more plaid. Yep. I turned it around and forgot I was going the wrong way. Yep, that's the Holiday of the Month Club. And that is exciting to get. Christmas in July. Oh, it's so pretty. Whatever I make out of this is just going to be gorgeous. I could just look at these fabrics all day. Just another look at them. I love them. So pretty. But yeah, anyway, if you like these fabrics, like I said, I got a link down below. I have a link to the Holiday of the Month Club, plus I have a link to just these particular fabrics. If you like these fabrics, if you like what you see, so you don't have to join the club, you can just get the fabrics. Okay, well, that was fun. Let's move on to the next one, which is the Sew Sampler. I don't remember, this must be July's. Yep, it is July. Seize the Day. Looks like it's nautical themed. And on the back they always have some kind of coupon for Sew Sampler subscriptions. But let's see, I like to start with this. Seize the Day. Their little card that tells you what you're getting. So we always start with the fabric. Fun, fun, fun. Nantucket Summer Layer Cake. Camille Roskelley for Moda Fabrics. Oh, you know what? This is the same fabric that is in the Designer Mystery of the Month, Block of the Month that I'm doing right now. If you saw that, then you saw these fabrics, and they are gorgeous. I love the blue in this, and I don't work with much blue. So if you missed that, let me open these up. And I'll put a link to these down below too, because these fabrics are just gorgeous. I don't think the mystery of the Designer Mystery of the Block of the Month is open anymore, or at least not at the moment. You can buy the fabrics, you just can't get the pattern. But these are the fabrics. And they're so pretty. Oh, you know what? I'll grab the block. While I'm going through these fabrics, there's the first block from the Designer Mystery Block of the Month. So you can see I just went past some of these fabrics that I've got in there. So these are just so pretty. And at the end, I'm sure we are going to have a pattern to put these in. But yeah, I could go through these too all day. Ooh, I didn't get that in my... I don't believe I got that in my designer finishing kit. But yeah, I got the green. Oh, come on. I've got this green. I don't think I got this fabric either. So yeah, there's some new fabrics in here that I didn't get. And this stripe, if you go back and watch my video, in the pattern the stripe goes this way and you have to match, or you don't have to. They don't really match up unless you really work to get them matched up, so I turned my stripes horizontal. And I show you how I do that in my video, which I'll link right now up above. And I'll link it down below if you want to watch that. The designer mystery block of the month. We got our first block. So same fabrics. That is awesome. These fabrics are so beautiful. I'll put a link down below to just these fabrics. I'll put a link to the sew sampler if you're interested. But yeah, so pretty. So, so pretty. That is called Nantucket Summer Layer Cake. And that's a value of $19. So I think the sew sampler with shipping is $32. We've got the half rectangle trimmer, which is interesting because I am doing a quilt with this right now that's going to come out here in August. So subscribe below, hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified when I put this quilt out. It's going to be really pretty. I'm using Tula Pink fabrics, so yeah, so now I got 2 of these. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. So stay tuned. I might do a giveaway for some of these things I have doubles of or that I don't use. So yeah, this makes really clean half rectangle triangles, and you can get diamonds out of them. In fact, here's a sample of a block that I'm doing right now. These are from this half rectangle triangle. So stay tuned for that entire quilt and how to use this. I am going to have an extensive video and blog post about it, so that's cool. Next, Quilters Select, and that's a $6 value, I'm sorry. Next is Quilters Select QS Pin Tin. Dive into your next quilt with a fresh set of Quilters Select pins. This is a set of 100 nickel-plated pins. Comes in a sturdy magnetic case and is tipped with high-quality glass heads that can handle the heat. Oh, so this is really neat. I like the magnetic. I rarely use pins, but yeah, it is magnetic. That's pretty cool. Keeps your pins in place, which is, if you've ever stepped on a pin or if you have animals, you'll know that you need to keep your pins in place. So that is really cool too. I went to like an automotive store and got something the guys use out in the car that has a humongous magnet on the bottom of it. That's what I've been using. But this is a little more dainty and pretty. It's not from an automotive store, so that's kind of cool. What else do we have? Magic Pins Sampler Pack. Heat Resistance. Resistant. I'm sorry, this is $9 value. Heat Resistant Magic Pins Sample Pack. This set of magic pins by Taylor Seville contains 6 pieces each of their extra long pins and quilting pins. Perfect for holding together multiple layers of fabric. Both are capped with heat-resistant comfort grip handles for happy hands. So let's open these up and put them right in there. Like I said, I don't use a lot of pins, so this could potentially be something I could put in a giveaway in the future. Yep, those are pretty cool. Yeah, they are pretty easy to grip. I like that. Heat resistant is always good when you're ironing, so that's another plus. So let's put these in here so that we don't lose them. And now we have 2 sets of pins in a magnetic case. You could put a little sticker on top or something with your, if you have a Cricut, make a little sticker that goes on top. It'd be pretty cool. Oh, they don't even have this. This is just a Looks like you could put it on a keychain or something, like a keychain pull. That's interesting. I don't even see this. Did I miss it? I did not miss it. It's just a little fun extra that's in here. So yeah, just a little fun extra that's got a little hook here that you could use. You could put it on your purse, you could put it on a zipper pull, whatever you want. So yeah, that's really pretty. Goes with the fabric, goes with the Seas of the Day theme. And then here, I just read this. I thought I was reading about this, so I just read this. This is what you could use this Nantucket Summer Collection quilt or fabric with, is this quilt pattern. 36 by 36, so it's small. That's nice. So that's the quilt pattern. And you use the half rectangle triangle in there. Awesome. So I could make 2 quilts from my half rectangle triangle. So I could probably put this as a giveaway. I'll need to make a little pile here of items that I'm going to give away. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I also need to do a review of all my items. And then you always get the, this is block number 4. I've been saving these in case I want to do them. This is the Bliss Quilt Along by Fig Tree and Company. The Bliss quilt was designed by Joanna Figueroa as a celebration of shapes and colors that create happiness. Each block brings something new to the table, as does the fun quilt setting. Pick up your Bliss quilt kit and make some joy with every piece and seam. So this is a $10 quilt pattern, and this is a $5 just for this one block. So you get quite a good deal with these, and they're always so much fun to see what's in there. If you use pins, you know, you get things like this. I don't use pins very often, so you get a new tool to use, which is awesome, because just stay tuned. I've got a really cool video coming out on how to use this, and looking forward to it. So there you go. There is the Sew Sampler for July. And I just love the colors. I love the theme. I love the fabric. And you get a little extra they didn't even tell you about in there. It's awesome. And 2 sets of pins in a magnetic case. So there you go. Oh, and the beautiful fabrics. Beautiful fabrics. I don't even remember how many. What do you get in a layer cake? Like 20 fabrics or something? I don't remember. But yeah, these will go a long way. I'm doing a snail trail right now with from a couple months ago when I opened up and got like an under the ocean type of theme fabric. It was really pretty. So that is our box opening for this month. It was fun. I got to show you other things I was doing because of it. And we got fun stuff. Always get fun stuff. We always get fun stuff in a box opening. Holiday of the month and Keepsake Quilting's Batik of the month. So I really appreciate you watching this video. Thank you very much. Check out my other videos for my sew-alongs and all that fun stuff. Check out my website. I've got a few patterns up there, canaryquilts.com. And thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video.